Hello viewers, I am Kumar Gaurav from IGNOU Region Center Trivandrum. Today we assemble here for talking about synopsis, how to prepare the synopsis, what we need to know how about preparation of synopsis. For that I am welcoming Mr. Sajit ji. He has more than 10 years experience under Regional Center Trivandrum. He has worked in different capacity. Currently he working as a secretary of regional director. So now we will discuss here about synopsis. Now we will start. Sajid.
Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to ask, what is a synopsis?
Synopsis is a very integral part of project. Actually, IGNOU providing vast range of the program, and some program have a project component. So a student need to know that in their syllabus whether project available or not. Suppose that project available, the first step to complete the project is preparation of synopsis. So synopsis is the one outline of the project. So every student should know that, and if they want to complete the project, they need to prepare first synopsis.
In synopsis, what things the student have to incorporate, or any particular guidelines available for preparation of synopsis?
Yeah, this is very important actually. The preparation of synopsis is itself a big task, because a student don't know about the project. What is the project? Actually, every project have project guideline. So a student need to read the project guideline carefully, and then they know. Then only they know to how to go ahead with the preparation of synopsis. Actually, synopsis they need to select some topic in that relevant area. Then they need to talk to their supervisor. They need to identify the supervisor. How they identify the supervisor? Then they need to approach their study center to identify the supervisor of that particular course. Then a study center only can provide the qualified supervisor. Some program have they can select the supervisor outside IGNOU also, but for that the supervisor need to carry the eligibility criteria. So in program guide itself they mention then what is the eligibility criteria of the supervisor. That's why we are talking, you need to read your program guideline carefully, then only you can know that what is the eligibility of your supervisor. Then only you can select your supervisor, then only you can select the topic, and then only you can go ahead with the synopsis.
So from where they get the guidelines? Any link or?
Yes, that project guideline available at the IGNOU website. Actually, a student getting the study material, when they get the study material, with that study material project guideline also coming. In case they not get the project guideline, they need to visit the university website IGNOU, and there with the study material project guideline also available. Now university given very robust website. When we search for program, in their site also sometime project guideline uploaded. So from there also you can get the project guideline.
Okay. While submitting the synopsis, what documents the students have to submit along with that synopsis?
That is very important. Actually, when they submit synopsis, the most important document is performa for the synopsis approval. Every project have performa. So and actually different format available. So all students need to go through the project guideline and check the performa, fill that performa neatly, the all information about the student should be there. Means name, enrollment number, program, that project course code, mobile number, means contact number, email address, if address available, address also. Some performer they not asking a student contact number, but it is my humble suggestion a student should add their email address and contact number in that performer also, because it is very easy to contact the student if any issue available in the synopsis. Then with the synopsis they need to submit the supervisor biodata and their supervisor qualification certificate and experience certificate. Here one specification available. Some program need only approved counselor as a supervisor. So if approved counselor as a supervisor available, no need to submit the experience certificate or biodata. But when a student selecting supervisor outside the IGNOU, they need to submit biodata with qualification certificate including experience certificate. Actually some supervisor required 5-year experience certificate. 5-year experience certificate required. Suppose that if it is 4 year, he is not eligible. So one more thing I want to add, in the performer itself it is mentioned that you need to attach the biodata of supervisor. So a student need to verify the assignment approval performer and check whether they need to submit biodata of the supervisor or not. So as per performer also they need to act.
Okay, the student where they submit their synopsis?
Yeah, this is very interesting question, because IGNOU have very vast number of program, and some program have project and their submission is also different. Suppose that some programs synopsis approved by the supervisor itself, they not required another evaluator for evaluation or approval. Some synopsis should be submitted to the regional center calling the evaluator and getting evaluated. Some synopsis need to submit to the headquarter, means school of that particular program. So a student need to verify from the project guideline where I need to submit the synopsis.
Is the format for all the program is same? Synopsis format for all the program is same or different?
So different program, the approval performance some extent is different, but the details they required almost same. Since some synopsis should be submitted at the counselor, approved counselor, and they need to approve, their performance somewhat different. Some synopsis should be submitted to the regional center, so that performance somewhat different. Some synopsis should be submitted at the headquarter, that performance somewhat different, but details they required almost same.
Okay. Is there any particular date for submitting the synopsis?
Yes, submission of synopsis last date is already mentioned in the project guideline. So a student need to follow that project guideline and submit the synopsis accordingly. Generally 30 April sometime synopsis submission date available. Some project synopsis submission is 30 December, but better they should follow the project guideline. However, the MCOM and MBA student can submit their synopsis throughout the year.
Okay. When a student submit his synopsis, how long it will take for completing the evaluation process?
Yes, this is the interesting thing. The submission, evaluation of synopsis is a major part. Actually, when a student submit the synopsis to the evaluate directly to the counselor, he will take maximum 1 week or 15 days, and he can get evaluated and get back the synopsis from the evaluator. But when they submit synopsis to the regional center getting 100 of synopsis every month. So regional center are doing fortnightly, they are segregating the synopsis and sending to the evaluator. Then evaluator taking minimum 1 month for evaluation and sending back to the regional center. Then regional center, after getting it evaluated, they completing the process and sending to the student. This whole process taking sometime 45 days or 60 days. So a student need to take minimum 60 days in account to getting back the synopsis approval or evaluated synopsis.
So if one student's synopsis get rejected, what is the next process?
Yeah, sometimes synopsis get rejected also. I miss one thing there. A student need to put their original signature in the synopsis approval performer and get their supervisor original signature. Sometime what happening, a student submitting scan copy of signature of guide as well as himself or herself also. That create the rejection. That one also create rejection. If a student not submit the supervisor biodata, that also one reason for the rejection. Sometime a student submit the biodata, everything okay, but experience certificate not attached. So we are unable to know that whether supervisor is approved or not. So that is also one of the major reason for the rejection. So this whole document should be submitted with the synopsis. If everything available, rejection is not possible. But sometime if due to some reason, if rejection happen, then you need to submit once again for next batch, and it will take the same time for evaluation again.
Okay, then when the some synopsis get rejected, is there any chance to what is the time to resubmit the same synopsis?
Suppose that synopsis get evaluated and the evaluator mark that not approved. It means that synopsis is not get approved. There are different reasons for non-approval of synopsis. The evaluator already mentioning the reason in the comments box. The student need to follow that comment. Sometime evaluator telling that you need to change your topic. If you changing your topic, then you need to prepare synopsis once again. Sometime evaluator tell that your guide is not approved. Synopsis is approved, but guide is not approved. Then you need to change your guide, and then once again you need to submit the synopsis with the approved guide, because that guide have different perspective for that topic. So you need to correct that synopsis as per new guide. Okay, then sometime some part of the synopsis is required correction. So that one you have to correct and resubmit the synopsis. Sometime evaluator telling that approved with modification. Many time I seen that a student when get approved synopsis, they are not modifying the synopsis and project according to the evaluator. They need to modify that, because for synopsis also marks available in the project. So please follow the evaluator comment.
If one synopsis get rejected, when here the student can resubmit the same, any particular time period available for
they have to resubmit it for next batch only. Generally regional center Trivandrum not waiting for next batch. If you submitting every fortnightly we are processing, we already told. So if you submit immediately, and next fortnight we are processing or we are sending for evaluation. So that one no problem. When you resubmitting, we are try to process as soon as possible. But problem what, one student want to submit their project November 30. They submitted assignment synopsis in month of July. Then July month we had evaluated, and almost September month we had sent that synopsis, which is not approved. Then again October month a student submitting the resubmitting the synopsis. Then again it will get approved or on evaluated synopsis only in December. So December batch they can't submit the project. That is only the constraint for us.
Okay, then what is the validity that how long if one approved project synopsis
That
can be
synopsis,
used?
which is if synopsis get approved, it is valid for 2 consecutive sessions. So I am
1 year.
Yeah, 1 year. So we requesting a student, when as soon as your synopsis get approved, submit your project, prepare your project and submit your project, because again full process you have to repeat. If it get invalid, means after 1 year, if it not get invalid, then every process you have to do again.
Then after approval of the synopsis, the student can start their project.
Yes, yeah. So after synopsis get approved, then they need to work on the project. Actually, project is not only writing the project. Actually, you need to do the research. Actually, this is mini research work. Actually, it is mini PhD. You have what topic you selected. In that topic, you have to do research. Your contribution should be there. You have to mention that after this research, after this project, some benefit given will be go to the some particular section, and then only that project is visible, it is livable. So you have to do the project. It is not only writing, it is some research work you have to do, and with that research work will take time. Suppose that you got synopsis approved in month of November 15, okay, for example, and November 30 you submitting the project. How much research work you done in 15 days? So that create question. So you need to give minimum 1 month, 2 months for research work, and then you need to prepare the project. So main important thing is project should be prepared with the help of guide. Guide will help you every step. If any correction want, guide will correct that project. You have to accordingly you have to correct the project. When you submitting the project, you need to attach the approved synopsis with the approval performer. Many student I finding that not submitting the synopsis approval performer with the project. That one lead to the rejection of the project. So project you have to prepare very carefully. With the project, some different performer also have to attach, like certificate of originality, which is signed by your supervisor, by you. Then some reference letter, suppose that if your supervisor given to your organization where you done the project, that reference letter you have to attach. Then one face sheet available where all details you have to mention. Face sheet already available, the demo face sheet already available in the project guideline. That one you have to go through it. Then your project should be hardbound. Generally we are guiding a student to submit your project in hardbound, and not only one set of project, at least 2 set of project you prepare. One set of project should be kept with you. One set of project you submit to the regional center. Not only regional center, because I already mentioned that some project should be submitted to the regional center, some project should be submitted to the headquarter. That one you have to follow with the guideline. Why we are forcing, or we are guiding a student to keep one set of project with you? Because that project only help you when you going for finding the job, because that project is very important for showcasing you. Next, submission of project. Last date of submission of project, this is very important. I already told the last date for submission of project generally is 30 April for June session and 31st October for December session. But sometime university are extending dates for submission of project due to different reasons. So for June session, sometime it will go till 31st May, and for December session, sometime it will go to 30 November. But don't wait for extension. Stick on the timeline what already given in the project guideline. So there are two mode of the submission of a project. First is offline, hard copy you can send, or online, which is a link will be created by the IGNOU and in the IGNOU website, and generally it is available in the announcement section. When you go in announcement section, the online submission of project link will be visible, and you can submit through online also.
Any particular fee for project submission?
Yes, for project course you need to pay the fee also when you submitting the examination form. Examination form submission date from 1st March to 31st March. So in that time you have to decide that whether you are going to submit your project or not. If you decided yes, I want to submit my project for June session, then you pay the fee with March month and submit your project in month of April. Then some project have Viva, some project not have Viva. So that one already mentioned in the project guideline. The students who submitting project at the regional center generally have Viva. For example, MS Psychology, MCA, BCA, sometime BA Psychology, MSc CFT. This project have Viva, and attending Viva is very compulsory, because passing in the evaluation of project and Viva is compulsory. So attending Viva is compulsory. So whenever you receive the communication from regional center for attending Viva, attend the Viva on the scheduled date and time. Generally, students submitting project, suppose that for December session 30 November, just cross 30 November last date. So regional center calling them for Viva after 15 January, means after theory examination. Theory examination for December session will complete in 14th January. So after that we will start the Viva for the project. So
one more question, sir. If we have ODL and online students. For submission of online students, how they submit their synopsis and project?
Yes, online student synopsis and project they can submit through LMS portal. But now university giving provision for submission two type. Through LMS portal also they can submit the project, and through online mode also they can submit the project. So both option available for OL mode. Synopsis also they can submit through LMS portal, and evaluation we are doing through LMS portal.
Then how the student know about the schedule of the Viva?
What I told, now we are for December session, after submission of project, within 1 or 1.5 month we are scheduling the Viva, generally after theory exam, and we sending the communication through email as well as through SMS.
When the project result will publish? And
Project result, what regional center, if a student submitting project to regional center, after Viva, within 20 to 30 days, the result will update in the grade card. So a student need to check their grade card for a release of result.
Okay. If in case some students result not came, what they want to do?
This is a very important question actually. Suppose that a student submitted project to the regional center and attended the Viva. I already told 30 days, within 30 days the result will released. So a student wait till 30 days. If it is not released, immediately contact the regional center. In case a student submitted project to the headquarter, then student need to contact to the project section of the university. at the level of headquarter it will take another 2 to 3 months for updating the result. Generally December session project result March or April month releasing. If till my April result not released, a student need to send the query or grievances to the project section of the university, and the email ID of the project section is projects@ignou.ac.in. However, a student can raise their grievances through IGNOU also. So now another one option, one situation coming, resubmission of project. Actually some student failing the project, either their selection of project is not correct or viva they not perform well. That's why when I talking it is not only writing the project, you have to do the research work. Some student only writing the project and coming for viva, and they not perform well in the viva, so they failed in the viva and project also. So they need to resubmit the project, means they need to go through all the process what they had already done, means synopsis submission, synopsis approval, project preparation, project submission, and then viva. So I hoping that I had covered all the aspect related to synopsis and project. So I am very much thankful to the Sajid. He given full support to me for completing this task. So thank you, viewer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Sir.